Like
no,
a Brooder light?
When they paint or use colored glass, it actually doesn't increase the amount of red coming out of the bulb, and it makes the bulb more expensive and hotter to handle. So just a clear front bulb, but they make them designed to run on 130 volts. So when you run them on a standard 120 volt circuit, they aren't as blue biased as ordinary incandescent bulbs. They're much weaker in the blue and stronger in the red.
But they appear to be white light.
Yeah, sort of yellowish white, warmer than standard bulbs.
So like a 130 clear front incandescent, and what number, how many watts?
Oh, I think they come in 150 to 250, and the high wattage 250 I think are only about $4 usually.